we've got a strap here in case you like strap-ons, and you can put these together.
Okay.
Hey, how's it going? I'm going to be unboxing the Kinesis Advantage360. It's the Bluetooth version. Side note, I already have this one. I broke it, so this is another one. But I decided to do a unboxing just to show you what it looks like. So here's the fresh box. You have the stuff that you probably want to read, but most of you won't, like me.
Tell them.
I don't know, it just comes with some expensive stuff.
Chase, tell them how you broke it so they don't think that it's like easily breakable. Or say something about breaking it so it's not thought to be easily breakable.
Okay.
It's sewing.
And side note, I broke it because I spilled coffee all over it like a goober. It's not like it's poor quality, just a side note. It's actually really good quality. You would expect that if you're paying $500 for a keyboard. Comes just simply wrapped into bubble wrap. Nothing too crazy here. It is, as you can see, it adjusts. There's a little button down here, and it goes like that. I like it all the way extended. And then the other one, again, there's a button down here. You just press it, and then it becomes fully extended. So that's kind of what it's going to look like when you're using it. You adjust it to how far you want it. There's the accessory box. There's just going to be some. What do we got? A USB, or it's a USB-C to USB. Another one. You're going to plug that one to each side. I'll show you in a second. I didn't need to, but maybe I'm just an amateur. And all you're going to do. This is Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your computer like this. I like to have these plugged into my computer so that my keyboards are always charging because it's Bluetooth and I'm not really going anywhere. So, I mean, I don't know if I need the Bluetooth, but it was more expensive and I like expensive things, so I decided to get it. Here's the switch. Can you zoom in on that? The on switch. And then there's where you're gonna put the USB-C. So there's only two buttons, or there's one button and one thing. Very simple. And yeah, that's basically it. So this is what you're gonna look like as you're using it. And it's pretty cool. The benefits of this is that it's really ergonomic, so it's really great for your wrist health. Someone online that is a professional software engineer who's on the computer all the time, had a lot of wrist problems. Bought this and had a ton of success with the wrist health, so that's why I bought it. It's a long-term play for me. And then some things to note is that you are going to need to relearn how to type. You're going to literally have like 10 words per minute when you first start. So you're going to need to go online, Google typing practice, and learn how to learn how to type again. Again, the pros of this are that ergonomic, incredibly great for your wrists, your wrist health. If you're on the computer all day, every day like me, you're gonna want that for long-term health. And it's just kind of cool, right? It just looks cool. You're the ultimate nerd when you have to bring this everywhere because you don't know how to use normal keyboards. So that's another pro. Con, like I said, you have to relearn how to type. Another con is, again, you can't use other keyboards. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, you literally are relearning how to type. Another con is, if you break this, like I did, and by breaking, I mean I spilled coffee all over it and fried it, you will have to replace it because you can't just use any other keyboard. So you are now dependent on this, which is a good thing because it's healthy, but understand that if it's broken, you are out of commission unless you buy a second one. So that is a con. But again, there's some other pros that I didn't get into because I'm an amateur. You can do tons of customization with this. You can change the layout of the keyboard with hot switching stuff. I haven't done that. I did it mostly for the ergonomic stuff. But again, this is supposed to be an amateur kind of overview. Again, this is what it looks like. Super cool. Super easy to set up. Things like that. So if you made this far, appreciate you watching and good luck.